The rooftop garden saves money and energy and keeps the building cool.
Hello, my name is Elijah and I'm going to be talking to you about Evanston and, that's all. Evanston has created a plan to reduce building energy consumption by 35% by the year of 2035. Building efficiency is making buildings that use less energy, pollute less, save money, and that are more comfortable to work and live in. Young people like us have the ability to contribute the positive change that Evanston has been making, improving building efficiency. Building efficiency should be important to kids my age because it has been saving money or other things like school, as well as slowing down climate change.